Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by reading the exact error message on your device or app screen. Note any code, like error 3301 or protected content not available. Check whether the content is DRM protected and requires licensed playback. Verify your account region matches the content region and that you are signed into the correct account. Confirm the device clock and time zone are accurate, because DRM often rejects mismatched times. Finally, ensure your app and operating system are updated to the latest version. If the message persists, update the app and operating system to the latest version. Clear the app cache and data, then sign out and sign back into your account. Reinstall the app to refresh DRM components and remove any corrupted licenses. If the platform uses browser playback, switch to a supported browser and enable Widevine or play Ready DRM in settings. On streaming boxes, check for firmware updates, and on mobile, check for carrier restrictions or VPN interference. For stubborn issues, disable VPNs, proxies, or region blockers that interfere with license checks. Try removing the device authorization and reauthorizing from your account portal or app. Back up any local data before attempting a factory reset, because a reset removes local licenses and content. Gather device model, app version, account email, and the exact error text before contacting support. Provide screenshots and timestamps to speed resolution, and follow the provider's steps to reissue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.